Hello traders, welcome back to our weekly outlook. We welcome all of you who are new and those who are old, okay? We like to thank all of you who are following us on Rdt Traders on TradingView. We like to say thank you and hope you are learning and hope you are gaining some experience with us on our ideas that we publish every time we get those predictable charts that are about to give us trades, okay? Or sometimes we give you those ideas that look out this kind of direction. Hope you are gaining that experience, guys, and hope that you are well in this pandemic. You are taking care of yourself. Today, it was our first day in South Africa for easing the lockdown, okay? So our president gave us 5 levels. We were last month we were doing 5 level of which is the strict lockdown that doesn't allow even the economy to move. So now we are starting today the easing of lockdown. Many shops are going to open, many activities are going to be eased. So hope you will still take care of yourself. Always wash your hands. Always take care of others. Make sure you make that in mind that if you are not taking care of yourself, ignoring the law, then you are putting other person next to you in danger, okay? So we like to thank our forefronters, the health workers, and those who are in front, who are working, Zwelin Keys and his cabinet, and all the ministers, okay? Let's get back to our trading. Hope you did trade well in the past week. So we're going to show you a different approach starting from today. We're going to give you different videos, but it will be for next week from 4th up until 8th of May, okay? So today we're going to show you this video. It's going to focus only on this four, okay? The USD, we call it a USD. You see our thumb ball that it's saying USD, okay guys? So hope you will trade well. Hope we are helping you on trading, okay? This is our profile. This is our link for TradingView so that you can follow us. As you can see that we are growing bit by bit, okay? And thank you, all of you, 118 followers and those who are viewing our ideas. Hope you'll keep on viewing these ideas and learning more on how daily traders trade, okay? So we like to give you this kind of forecast, weekly forecast that is kind of differently to others, okay? So that you can see that USD, what is doing. So at the moment, we will be focusing these on our watch list. This is it's four currency pairs, okay? So we'll focus on this from weekly up until the last time frame, okay? So we'll go to our Twitter handle, okay? This Twitter handle has this link for you to share to other followers or other traders that are trading, okay? Because we also share charts on Twitter, okay? We update people what to expect next and what to expect on the charts, okay guys? The other channel that we are using, a social site, is YouTube, okay guys? YouTube, We are posting videos weekly. We are posting videos for you. We've got learning videos that you can see how we trade or take in the market. And you find weekly forecasts there. And look those weekly forecasts and see how Rev Daily Traders work. Okay, guys? We'll go straight to our charts. We'll find charts now and see what we are expecting from Euro USD. Okay, so we will start on monthly and see what we are expecting here. Right, on monthly, what we are having, we are still having this bounce. It's a bounce here. It's a bounce here on our roof. It's a bounce here. Then we took this floor and this floor and this floor and this one. Okay, then we combine our trend line to this point for us to get a guidance on this trend lines. Okay, guys, so what we are expecting right now, we are expecting maybe it's it's like we're having a channel here. Okay, it's 1, it's 2, it's 3, it's 4, it's 5. Okay, let me make it clear for you. It's 1, it's 2, it's 3, it's 4. We are having 5. Okay, so this is moving slowly, and this is giving us that sellers are not strong for us to go down more. Okay, so what we are seeing here, we should get one more up here, then we'll be looking for one more down for us to go up again. Or it can break here, but we don't anticipate this move. Okay, guys, this move we don't anticipate. You are looking for this one, okay, in a long run. But at the moment, we must clear this pattern, what it is doing on lower time frame. So we will shift to lower time frame and see on weekly what we are having there, guys. Okay, let's see on weekly what we are having. Right, on weekly, we had on 23 March 2020, we got an engulfing candle. That engulfing candle signals us for a move up, okay? That buyers are strong. So now what we are into a correction. Okay, guys? Or we can find ourselves to come and take this floor. Then from floor, we'll be looking upwards. But now, if you can see that sellers are not giving up here. They are still giving buyers a good run for their money. Okay, so now what we're going to be expecting for the coming weeks, we'll be seeing such pattern. Okay, let's show you what kind of pattern that we are seeing here. Right, this kind of pattern, we have an impulse here on lower time frame, then it's 1, we are having 2, 3, okay? So we'll be looking for this to come, not to tag exactly the trend line, but to test around this price, 1.05, okay? 06 or 07. is where we are expecting this Euro USD to come and test this price. Okay, so now if you want to trade these, you'll be looking at this as impulse. We are having 1, is 2. Are we gearing up for this 3? This is a question that we will be asking ourselves. But bear in mind that we are having such price action of this impulse. It's 1, it's 2, and 3. Then we are having this correction at the moment, okay? As last we were saying, look for buys around this price. We got buys here. Then if you are in buys on lower time frame, let's go to 4 hour. Let's go to 4 hour. On 4 hour, we were looking this reversal pattern, okay? Then we bought on this break of this candle. If you didn't get from this price, you will buy from a breakout of this pattern that we got here. Then now we are managing the trade. Okay, guys? We are managing the trade. You can put your stop right here and see if we are getting a reversal or are we getting a correction here to give us a break here, okay? But we'll break that on lower time frame so that you can see what we are anticipating on this move, right? If you can go to our ideas, let's go to Euro USD and see if we are seeing this chart that we predict. Euro USD, and see this chart that we predict. Is this a chart? Let's see if this is a chart or not. Because we were still looking for buys on that chart, okay? Let me see, is this chart we're looking for? Okay, this is not a chart. Because we are looking for an up move, then a down. Then we got this bounce from here, okay? I want to show you where we were looking for. Let's go and check. The Euro USD chart. Okay, let me not waste your time, but you can go through our ideas and see what we were anticipating on this, because we are looking for a correction for us to get an expanding flag. Then we got buy again, okay? It's up to you now whether you will take a profit this week or you'll wait for a correction here for you to go up again, okay? If you don't get a correction here, then look for a reversal for you to sell, because we are anticipating sell, okay, guys? It's what we are anticipating, because we are having this 1, 2, 3. It's a pattern on itself for us to take us down, okay? So we'll move to lower time frame and see on lower time frame what we are having there. You see this kind of pattern, this one. We were looking for a correction for us to take this price. Then we look for buys. Okay, so we got that and it went up. So what to do next coming week? Let's remove this one. For the next coming week, what you can do for you to see or manage the trade. Watch this structure. If we are going to have something like this, if we are going to have something like this kind of correction, then we'll be looking to buy again with this same length. Okay, we'll be looking to buy here, guys. You understand? So we'll be looking for a correction. If you are not getting a correction, wait for the price action to give you something like this. Let me show you. And in impulse, then you get correction, get in here, then manage your trade and see if here we're going to get a break on here with the candle, then wait for it to break aggressively, then look for a correction here, a bigger correction on 4 hour, okay, for us to confirm sell. So you'll be looking two things here. You'll be looking for a correction. If you are not getting that correction, watch for impulse on lower time frame, then get an correction, get inside here with a limit, then you take a trade. Then watch this price 1.0903. It will be our watch point, this one. It will be our watch point, this yellow zone. It will be our watch point. So we'll be watching this point. If we are bouncing here, then get a correction, then up again, get one more up, or we are getting a break, then we correct with the bigger correction here, then we took a sell. Okay, so in Euro USD, what we are anticipating, we are looking for sales here, guys. We are looking for sales. Okay, so you'll be watching for sell next week on Euro USD. Let's go to our next currency pair, of which it's going to be a New Zealand dollar. Okay, right. On New Zealand dollar, what we are having here, we'll start on monthly, as I promised that you'll get a monthly. Right, on NZD USD, we are expecting to get buy here, okay, to get this buy. But if you are anticipating this buy, we'll be looking on lower time frame to see if this price is it ready to go give us this buy, okay? Because we are not anticipating for this price to go lower again. We expect up, then we expect here a down move to come and test these lows. Okay? So let's shift to a lower time frame and see what we are having there. Lower time frame. To see if we are getting that buy. Okay? Remember that buy is going to be a long run. So on lower time frame, you'll be guided by lower time frame, that is it ready to go up or it's going to start from down. Okay, so day is not that clear. If you are not a experienced trader, then we'll go to 4 hour. Right, on 4 hour we were anticipating for this run for a market to fill this gap, okay, so that we can get sales from top. So now what the market has done has already given us this kind of price action. So what we'll be looking for next week? We'll be looking for a correction under this monthly RS, okay? If we get this correction, it will be our confirmation for us to come and take 0.5816. This is going to be our target, guys, for next week, and see if we are bouncing here or we're getting a break under 0.57, okay? We'll be watching this price action for us to get simple 1, 2, 3 or correction here for us to take this trade, okay? So let's go to a lower time frame and see that this price action that is happening, is it really aggressive or it's not aggressive, okay? Right, let me show you what we can have here. What we can have here. Right. We are having this APC move. Then we got this APC impulse, APC. Then we got the same length. Then now we are in a correction. This correction is kinda confusing if you are not an experienced trader, okay? We'll be looking at this 1, 2, 3 for us to take this trade again to come and test 0.6216, okay? We'll be watching the break here. It's up to if you come and buy on breakout, or you'll be waiting for a correction to go up here, okay? Then if not, an up move, if you see a bigger correction here, look for sell up until 0.58, okay? Because we are looking for a drop on NZD USD, okay guys? So we'll shift to another time frame and see if the market is it ready to give us a low or is it giving us buy here, okay? So we'll be watching this price and see if we are getting an aggressive up move here, then a correction, then we can buy and buy here and manage your trade. See if we are going up, then bigger correction, go again up, okay? So we'll be looking to directions here. It's either a correction here or you are getting a reversal here to go up, okay guys? We'll shift to pound dollar. Right, on pound dollar, what we are having here, we are looking for buys. we are looking for buys here. In lower time frame, giving us buys. Okay, but is it ready to give us buy or not? Is what we are trying to figure out now. Right, let's try to be slowly on this one, okay? Because it's kind of tricky. Watch these points. Watch these points, guys. Watch these points. We are kind of in a range. Pattern, okay? We can stay here longer, then we can take up here. So is it tradable if we are moving in a range channel? Is it tradable? Yes, it is tradable, but you should manage your trades when you get in, and you should look at your entry point, whether they are in a good position to manage your trades or not, okay? You should use a good money management if you are trading pound USD. But if you are not experienced enough, I would say stay away from pound USD, okay? Because we are anticipating this kind of move that is going to stay here for a long time. But if you decide that no, let me trade pound USD, right? Let's show you how you're going to take care of this one, okay? We got these patterns, right? These patterns, remember it's impulse, then we got a pattern. We got impulse, yeah, the same length of this one. Then we got a pattern here again for this impulse. Then we got the impulse that we were waiting for. So now what we are expecting or seeing here, we can have a one more up move to give us a one new high here, okay, to come and take this price. So what you are going to do here, you're going to watch for this price to give us, it's going to give us an up move, okay? So what you can do, you can shift to lower time frame if it's not clear. If even this one is not clear, go to 15 minutes. Let's go to 15 minutes and see if we are having a good price action that is going to take us up, or are we going down, okay? Right. Watch this move. Watch this move. This correction that is in building here. We can come here, but at the end we are going to have a buy set up here, okay? So you can have a buy limit if you want to buy pound, dollar. You can have that buy. Let me show you something. You can start to have buy here. Put your stop behind this one. Then this is your trade. this is your trade if you want to buy pound dollar, okay? Because we don't see any sell set up right now. We are only seeing a buy set up on lower time frame, 15-minute trend frame, okay? But remember, we said as Rdt traders that you should ignore pound dollar, okay? So we'll move to our next currency pair, our last currency pair of dollar. It's Aussie dollar, okay? So we'll move to a daily or monthly and see what we are expecting on this one, right? Have we tagged this price? Is this our last low that we got in 23, not 23, in 16 March? Is this our last low? Is for us to figure out as traders that are we having a last low or we are still having up move or is a reversal, okay? Okay, the weekly doesn't show good. Okay, guys, right. On this pair, as we predict on our ideas were published, we were wanting this APC move for us to come and take this roof of ours, then we'll be looking for a sell here, okay? That sell I wrote on our ideas that it should be a corrective structure for us to have one more new up, okay? Because we're going to get this kind of price action, okay, guys? Just you have to figure out what our last price is doing. We can have this kind of up move again, then down again, guys. Or is it ready for us to go down, take this price, then up again? Okay, so now we were anticipating this week that we should get a correction structure, a corrective structure there. Okay, so now what we should do for next week on this pair, let me show you what you should do on this pair. We having a expanding flag, okay? So let's go to lower time frame and see if the market is moving fastly or slowly. As we see the market not moving fastly, but I think it's been affected by this pandemic. But all you need to do is watch for a price action, then go for it. Look for a break here. See if you are getting an aggressive up move, then you should get a correction here for us to get one more up move, okay? But if you are not getting this kind of price action, wait for this to give you a bigger correction, then watch to sell, okay? Then to sell, it will give you, see, watch for a bigger correction because we were looking to sell here. We are looking for a down move to come and take 0.61. Okay, it's how we are looking our dollar pairs. Okay, guys. Hope you will trade well on dollar. Hope we gave you good knowledge. Hope we gave you easy way how you can handle this dollar pairs this week. We'll do a video for you on this week again on CAD, yen, and other pairs. Okay, guys? Thank you. Trade well, trade with discipline. See you next video, guys. Thank you.